The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a tornado warning for northern Los Angeles County in Southern California until 2:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located 5 miles of Ventura. Other located areas include Venture, San Francisco, and Contra Costa. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 2:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Southern California: northern Los Angeles County,